VS Particle introduces spark ablation technology, creating your desired nanoparticle sample at the push of a button. The sample preparation process goes through 3 phases: generation, particle processing, and deposition. Generation of nanoparticles starts by flowing a carrier gas past 2 electrodes of conductive or semiconductive material. An electrical spark creates a plasma, ablating a small amount of material from the electrode. The ablated material forms a concentrated stream of nanoparticle aerosol. During particle processing, the liquid-like nanoparticles combine into bigger particles. The last process step is particle deposition by one of 3 deposition methods. Diffusion deposition, where particles bump onto the substrate due to random motion and stick there. Filtration deposition, where the particles are filtered from the gas stream with a porous substrate. And finally, impaction deposition, in which the particles are accelerated and shot onto the substrate. By changing process parameters, the particle generation can easily be controlled. The electrodes can be switched, mixed, or processed as alloy. Materials can be oxidized by playing with the gas composition. All conductive or semiconductive materials are compatible with the technology. By varying the gas flow and tube length, the residence time is controlled, which enables you to change the distribution of the particle size. The spark ablation process can be run in parallel to create mixtures of nanoparticles, or sequential to create complex particle morphologies. With the spark ablation technology, you have ultimate flexibility and control over your nanoparticle sample preparation, giving you the ultimate sample at the push of a button.